Let's make sugared cranberries with just 2 ingredients. This festive treat is perfect for topping cakes, cupcakes, cookies, brownies, and more. Start by adding 1/4 cup of cane sugar and 1/4 cup of water to a small pot. We're making simple syrup here using equal parts of sugar and water. Put the sugar and water over medium heat and melt the sugar. As soon as the sugar melts, reduce it to a simmer and let the mixture thicken. This will take about 5 minutes. You want to cook until the mixture seems thick and sticky. If you run your spatula through the mixture, it should be thick and take a second to melt back in like you see here. As soon as the mixture is thick, remove it from the heat. Add 8 ounces of cranberries to a mixing bowl. Pour the simple syrup over the cranberries and stir to coat them completely. Let them sit for a few minutes. Add 1/2 cup of cane sugar to another mixing bowl. Using a spoon, spoon out some of the cranberries and drop them into the cane sugar to coat them. Transfer to a baking sheet with a wire rack to dry. Once the cranberries are all coated, store them in the fridge. You can use sugared cranberries to top cakes, cupcakes, or brownies. You can even add them onto a charcuterie board to make it extra festive. If you want more easy organic recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.